had this morning? For use? For use? Now we're going to talk about form and present continuous. Form positive sentence. Subject plus verb. Oh, sorry. Class. To be. Yeah, I know. Form subject plus to be plus verb plus object. Or some call like now I understand English. And form is negative sentence subject plus to be plus not plus verb ing plus object. For example, now I am not studying English. And question for form question WA question plus verb the you question plus subject plus verb ing plus object. For example, do you talking about present continuous? And now since you have a question, you can ask me.
Okay, do you have any question, comment? Okay, you can tell your friend. Okay, if you notice something wrong, okay, or you have some doubt, you can ask to clarify, right? Okay, come on. This is the way that you can learn. Clear, clean, this one. Yeah? Clear, clean. You are clean. Okay, do you agree with Suti that okay, Suti, in here you can check the form again, right? Like question form, this one, right? Okay, what is it correct that you use WH question? Okay, and plus what? Okay. Question should be what? Should be okay. It should have like a subject. Sorry, WA question. You are right for this. Okay, WA question plus to be like am is are plus subject plus verb ing and object. It should be the correct one. This one, right? Okay. Or this one indicates that you just want to use with WA question. But besides that, you also can use it like yes, no question as well, right? Like am is are plus subject plus verb ing plus an object. Okay, in the case that you just want to use like yes, no question, yes, no question, right? Yeah. So okay, can you change for that? You can say the form as the WA question. You better have like am is are, okay, plus subject plus verb ing and then an object. An example, you can look at the example, right? Like, do you talk about present continuous? Is it correct for that? No, so do cannot use in present continuous in here. It should be what? Do you talk about present continuous? It should be everyone, it should be what? Okay. It can be like that, or you can use, okay, compared to the form, you need to use WA question, right? So, okay, it can be like, what's the rest up, like what? Why are you talking about present continuous? Or you can ask how, right? How are you talking about present continuous? Okay, and you can look at why he crying. Is it correct form here? Yes or no? Verb to be, right? So how can you make it to be the correct one? To be, right? So okay, can you make it to be the correct one, Suti? Why? Why is he crying, right? Okay, why is he crying? Crying should be the correct one, right? So, okay, this part you can change it from, you can say WA question plus to be, like am is are, plus verb ing, plus up, and I've changed question mark in here, okay? So you just change it to follow that, and then you are right. Can you scroll it up? Tuti? Scroll it up to the... Okay, start from here. Anything wrong or anything right for you, everyone? Okay, when we use a present continuous, okay, is it correct form? Okay, like you use, okay, when we use in here, is it question or what? Is it question? No, it's not yet question, right? Or this one we can say like indirect way. Indirect question. Indirect question, you should not use question mark. But if you put question mark, you need to use it to be the correct form of the question. Question form in here. So when, okay, it should be when do we use the present continuous tense in here? Okay, we use present continuous for talking about okay, or you can leave out like describe. Okay, or you can say, okay, we use present continuous for talking about an activity that is happening now and temporary activity, not activate, right? Activate, like you activate your window, right? Okay, so activity. Okay, you can scroll it up. Example like I'm studying English, is it correct? Yes? Are you studying English now? Yeah? Okay, good. I'm studying very hard this morning. Is it correct? Yes? Yes or no? Lý Hiến, correct? Yeah? Yes, no, right? Okay? Okay, yes, no, okay, right? Good. Okay, good, very good for that example. Okay, for use, now we go to talk about the form of form present continuous. You better use, okay, now we are going to talk about present continuous, the correct one. Okay, positive sentence. Sentence here, what? You forgot something here? CE, right? CE at the end. Okay, form subject plus to be. Okay, like am is are plus verb ing plus an object, right? Okay, example. Now I am talking about present continuous. Is it correct for that example? Yes? Yeah, very good. How about negative form or negative sentence? Okay, please add CE to sentence, right? Is it correct for that form? Subject plus not plus verb ing plus an object. Okay, still forgot to be, right? So where can you insert to be in here? Subject plus subject. Sorry, subject plus to be like am is are plus not plus verb ing and an object, right? Good. Not object, right? Okay, example. Now I'm not talking about present continuous. Is it correct? Yeah. Okay. I'm not reading book. Okay, you use in example correct, but in the form you need to change it. Okay, what does it mean? Temporary action, everyone. Okay, like in the usage of the previous one, so he put like it talk about the activity that happening now and a temporary action. What does it mean, temporary action or activity? What does it mean? So again, can you just scroll it up to the usage? Yeah, this one. Okay, no, okay. Just move up a little bit. Move down. Just scroll down, right? Yeah, that's one. The capital for use. Okay, now we are going to talk about. Oh no. Okay. There. We use present continuous for talking about an activity that is happening now and temporary activity. Temporary activity, what does it mean? Yeah? Is it near the future? Near the future or what? Temporary activity. Yeah? Okay, like right now, you are studying in English. Is it still continue until tomorrow, next month, next year, you still in the class? Yes or no? Or it will be finished sometime in the future? Yeah? Yeah, it will be finished sometime in the future. That's why present continuous is a temporary action that we can use it to talk about, right? Okay, so any question today, everyone? Yeah? Any question? No question, right? Question in final. Sorry.